The more you're cutting and mincing your garlic, it triggers a chemical reaction which creates a compound called allicin, and that's responsible for that delicious smell that the garlic releases.
Yes, you nailed it. Yes. Perfect.
Hi, my name is Verveine Oranger, and I'm here with America's Test Kitchen Kids. Today we're going to be working on peeling and mincing garlic, which we're going to put in some delicious fresh hummus. Before we begin, make sure to wash your hands and don't forget to like and subscribe to ATK Kids for some more delicious content. Take your head of garlic and take a sniff. Where's the smell? Well, actually, there's no smell until you start cutting into it, and that's when you start smelling all of that garlicky smell that we all love. The more you cut into it, the more it just like pops out. And if you want to start smelling it, then let's start peeling and mincing our garlic. Let's take 1 clove of garlic, and we're gonna take a measuring cup. So if we smash it, then the skin's gonna come off and it's gonna make it easier to peel. You don't need to smash it too much, just carefully rock it back and forth until you hear that crackling sound. And then you can go in with your fingers and start peeling off the skin. You need to go back with the measuring cup then. Feel free to do that until you get it all off. Sometimes they get really stuck onto here. All right, now we're gonna take it, and the technique for this, so we're gonna hold our knife, be careful with it, and we're gonna take it over the garlic and hold it with one hand. You're gonna take another hand and put it on top and slowly rock it and pivot it around. So slowly you can take it, rock it, rock it, rock it, and then you're turning it. You're kind of trying to make sure you're getting all points of it. Turning, and then if you have to like gather them again, you can do that. Rocking and pivoting, rocking and pivoting. So what is mincing? Mincing is when you're cutting something into smaller pieces than when you're chopping something. So see how fine these pieces are, and especially how fine they're going to be. That's definitely a lot smaller pieces than when you're chopping. So cutting it, pushing it off, and then you're pushing it back into the pile so it's easier to mince. All right, there you go. Make sure to mince your garlic right before you use it, because the longer it sits out, the stronger the flavor and the smell the garlic's gonna get. I love garlic. I like to put in almost everything that I eat. Anything I can think of, I'll just try to throw garlic in there. I love flatbread with chicken, and I put garlic on that. Pretty much every pasta I find, I want to put some sauce on it that has garlic in it. And of course, hummus, which you're gonna try today and is so delicious, especially thanks to my favorite friend, garlic over here. So right now we're using raw garlic. It's really strong right now, but if you're gonna cook that garlic, then you're gonna see that that flavor is gonna mellow out a bunch, and it's not gonna be as strong as raw garlic that we're using right now. Now we're gonna begin my favorite part of the process. We're gonna try the hummus, but we're gonna have a special guest join us today, my brother Luca. Tell me what you think. I hope you enjoy it.
I like the chickpeas and the crunch and the crisp.
Aw, yes.
It's mine.
Bye, thank you. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you learn how to peel and mince garlic and make delicious hummus. For more how-tos on cooking, go to atkkids.com. I'm Verveine Oranger, and enjoy your hummus today. Thank you for watching.
I'll be taking that.
There's Luca. I love garlic. It's actually one of my favorite foods, and I like to put it in almost everything. Never mind.